Rule number 2. Nobody in the club thinks bugs are gross. That's just immature, which is fancy for babyish. First, we look for insects. Insect is the real word for bug. All insects have wings, antennae, and 6 legs. We see an anthill, so we sprinkle some sugar. Voila! Here comes the ants. Ants love sweet things. Me too! The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah! The head ant is the queen, but she doesn't have a crown or anything fancy. She lays all the eggs. What do you call a 100-year-old ant? An antique. That's a fancy word for something really old. My sister scribbled here. She thinks it's real writing. Rule number 3. Ants live underground in a group called a colony. Freddie wants to help the ants get back home, but that's against club rules. We see lots of flies by the garbage cans. They zoom around so fast, Bree couldn't get a picture. Flies can walk on ceilings because of sticky pads and tiny claws on their feet. I observe, that's a fancy word for watch, a ladybug on a leaf of a tomato plant. This ladybug has 1 black spot on each wing. Once I saw a ladybug with black wings and red spots. Mom says it's good luck if a ladybug lands on you. But club members do not think that is scientifically accurate. Ladybugs eat insects that are bad for plants. Ladybugs I have seen My sister is pointing at something. It is a spider. In the web there is a dead bug. My sister says yuck, but we explain that this is just part of nature. Spiders eat insects that are pests, like flies. Nancy's sweet peas. Lettuce. You probably think spiders are insects, but guess what? They're not. They have 8 legs, not 6, and no wings or antennas. Exploring in the wild makes us very thirsty and hungry, so we need to stop and have refreshments. That's fancy for snacks. Nancy's extra fancy lemonade. A can of pink lemonade and water, a little cranberry juice to make it hot pink, raspberries, 2 per cup of lemonade, a teacup to drink it in, cookies to eat with it. We do some research now. That means we read about what we've seen. Bree's book says we saw an orb spider. Here's the photo Bree took of it.